Welcome to our channel. Today we how to choose the best credit card for cash back rewards, complete guide step by step clearly. Choosing the best credit card for cash back rewards can be overwhelming. Start by assessing your spending habits. Identify the categories in which you spend the most money. Consider areas like groceries, gas, dining, and online shopping. Research available credit cards that offer cash back in these categories. Look for cards that provide a higher percentage of cash back for your top spending areas. Compare the cash back rates across different cards. Make sure to check if the cash back is tiered or flat rate. Tiered cards often offer higher rewards for specific categories, while flat rate cards give a consistent percentage on all purchases. Evaluate any annual fees associated with the cards you're considering. An annual fee can eat into your cashback earnings, so calculate if the rewards justify the cost. Review the welcome bonuses available with these cards. Some credit cards offer a significant cash bonus if you meet a spending threshold within the first few months. Verify the redemption options for cashback rewards. Look for flexible options, such as statement credits, bank transfers, or gift cards. Check if rewards expire or if there are any limits on earning cashback. Understand foreign transaction fees, especially if you plan to use the card while traveling abroad. Consider the card's APR for any potential balances you may carry. A higher APR can negate the rewards if you end up accruing interest on your purchases. Read customer reviews and ratings to gauge user satisfaction. Seek out feedback on the customer service and ease of use for the card. Once you've narrowed down your options, apply for the card that best fits your financial behavior. Remember to continually evaluate your credit card's performance each year to ensure it still meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.